Your bathtub has a secret enemy. And it's not what you think. It's not soap. It's not hard water. It's the fact that you've been scrubbing wrong for years. Today, I'm showing you how $2 worth of salt can lift stains that expensive bathroom cleaners can't touch. Stick around, because the last trick in this video is the one most people skip. And it's the one that actually makes the difference. Let's get into it. You know the stain, that dull ring around the drain, those rust-colored streaks under the faucet. You've scrubbed, you've sprayed, you've bought the bottle with the angry bubbles on the label, and somehow the stain just fades a little, then comes back. Bathroom cleaning sprays can run you $10, $15, $20 a bottle. And if you've ever called in a professional tub refinisher because scrubbing wasn't cutting it, that's a $200 to $500 job for a stain that salt can handle for less than the cost of a coffee. Here's the part most cleaning videos skip. Why salt actually works. It's not magic, and it's not a secret formula. Salt crystals are hard, angular, and just abrasive enough to physically break up mineral deposits and soap scum without scratching most tub surfaces, the way steel wool or harsh powders can. When you pair it with something acidic, like white vinegar or lemon juice, you get a 1-2 punch. The acid softens and dissolves mineral buildup, the actual cause of those rust and calcium stains, while the salt scrubs the loosened residue away. Professional cleaners charge you for time and elbow grease. This does the same job for pennies. So here's exactly how to do it. First, clear the tub completely. No bottles, no mats, nothing in your way. Second, wet the stained areas with warm water so the salt has something to cling to. Third, sprinkle coarse salt generously over every stain. Don't be shy with it. Fourth, pour white vinegar directly over the salted areas. You'll hear a light fizz, that's the acid going to work. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, no longer, since vinegar left too long can dull some finishes. Fifth, take a damp sponge or soft bristle brush and scrub in small circles, letting the salt do the abrasive work instead of your arm. Sixth, rinse thoroughly with warm water and check the stain. Seventh, if anything stubborn remains, repeat once. But avoid this method entirely on natural stone or marble tubs, since acid can etch those surfaces permanently. When people try this properly, the difference is dramatic. Rust rings fade, soap scum haze disappears. The tub looks like it did the day it was installed. This isn't a permanent force field against future stains. Hard water will build up again over time. But a monthly refresh with this method keeps most tubs looking new without ever buying a specialty cleaner again. If this saved you a trip to the store, hit like so more people find a cheap fix instead of an overpriced one. Subscribe if you want more real no-nonsense cleaning tricks that actually explain the why behind them. Next time, I'm covering the one laundry mistake that's quietly wrecking your towels. See you then.